Hello, I'm Suzanne Donovan. Today I'm joined by Rachel Heideck. We're going to be discussing organizing around health and safety in the context of the current COVID-19 pandemic and ways to make positive change in your workplace for you and your coworkers.
I'm Rachel, and we're going to be talking about an example of workers organizing to make their workplace safer during COVID-19. Next slide. The focus of this example is a group of temporary workers in Chicago who work for Voyant Beauty, which is a company that makes personal care products like hand soap for Johnson & Johnson and other companies. Voyant workers first took action in April when they were concerned that their employer wasn't doing enough to keep them safe and protect them from COVID-19. Sadly, one day after their plant closed for cleaning, a temporary worker named Norma Martinez passed away. The day after her death, you can switch slides. A group of coworkers held a car caravan right outside the Voyant Beauty manufacturing plant, calling for improved sanitation and reduced exposure to COVID-19.
Around the same time as Voyant temp workers did the car caravan, they also put together a petition for the Illinois governor. Um, this petition was on behalf of all temporary workers in Illinois who are technically employed by temp agencies but work at the facilities of other employers. Next slide. This petition demanded that the governor take steps to, one, get rid of the requirement to punch in with a biometric punch clock, to mandate social distancing in the workplace, provide paid sick time so that folks don't have to work while they're sick, and provide paid leave time for parents to take care of children when they don't have anywhere else for them to go. Next slide. So they also took action by filing a complaint with the Illinois Attorney General, who is currently accepting and investigating workplace issues related to COVID-19 in Illinois. Next slide. The New York Attorney General is also filling that role for New York workers who have workplace issues related to COVID. So if that's something that you are wondering about with your workplace, either your employer is doing something that is against the standards for your area or that are not following the guidelines that they should be, you can always call us and we are happy to help you get in touch with the Attorney General. Next slide.
After that, and most recently on May 14th, the temporary workers at Voyant Beauty held another protest outside of their manufacturing facility and delivered a new petition to Voyant Beauty, demanding that they provide paid sick leave and childcare leave as required by the Families First Coronavirus Response Act. COVID-19 has amplified many of the issues that workers face and brought new problems to light as well. Voyant workers demanding the paid sick leave and childcare leave provided by emergency legislation like the Families First Act shows us that there are many issues to organize around in the workplace, which is something that is especially true right now. Next slide. So the fight at Voyant Beauty is still going on, and you can keep up with their campaign on Instagram and on Twitter at Shy Workers, or at Shy Temps on both of those platforms. They post information to their website as well, which is www.chicagoworkerscollaborative.org. And they keep updating with the next steps in their campaign. So if you want to improve the conditions of your workplace during COVID-19 and always, here are some initial steps that you can take. You can talk to your coworkers about improving these working conditions and concerns. You can discuss concrete changes to improve the workplace. Another good step is to evaluate resources, including organizational assets, customers, clientele, community partners, media, and employer-employee relations. Developing concrete goals that would lead to the changes you want is also a good step, as well as developing a plan, including tactics and methods to achieve those goals.
If you have questions about any of the things that we've discussed in this video or would like to start organizing in your workplace, you can contact us at 716-206-3550. which is our hotline and is available in 14 languages. You can also contact us via email at inquiry@winkosh.org. And we're happy to answer any questions you have about your workplace and your rights.